filtering Pandas Dataframe with multiple Boolean columns. I am trying to filter a df using several Boolean variables that are a part of the df, but have been unable to do so. Sample data. The dtype for columns C and D is Boolean. I want to create a new df, df1, with only the rows where either C or D is true. It should look like this. I've tried something like this, which faces issues because it can't handle the Boolean type. Any ideas?
Solution 1. Solution 2. Solution 3. P.S. If you change your solution to, it'll work too. Pandas docs, Boolean indexing. Why we should not use pep complaint df call underscore name is true instead of df call underscore name equals true.
Or
Hooray! More options. np.where. pd.series.where on df.index. Abusing np.select.
So, the easiest way to do this. Here is the source of this code, this URL. I added minor changes to it.
Source book